Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to speak English fast and like a native speaker. If you are interested, please continue watching. Hey guys, today I'm gonna share you some tips that will be extremely helpful if you wanna speak fast and like a native speaker. Or to be more specific, to sound like a native. So when you speak, people will say, "Oh God, are you a native speaker?" So they won't be sure that you are a native or not. Because we already know that English is our second language, maybe third, maybe 10th. I don't know how many languages do you speak. And as a result, we still mess up. We still mess up in certain points like grammar, fast speech, and slang, and etc. My first step for you is to listen, and then mimic. Try to mimic everything you hear in English, whatever it was, a video, a movie, or even a voice note. You may be questioning, why should I do that? You need to do that to get the natural accents, the natural actions during speaking, to be a normal person who speaks English fast, automatically and naturally like a native speaker. My advice for you is to get a clip for your favorite actor or actress, whatever, and try to mimic him. Try to be a mirror. Try to get into the character itself. Imagine yourself like you are the actor in that specific movie and try to act. It is your chance to act, so try it and tell me in the comments below.
The word snatch.
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 Snatch what?
Minus the word snatch and grab because they mean the same thing.
Snatch.
Snatch. Stop saying that.
My second tip for you is the intonation. And the intonation means the way of speaking, the flow. Speak like a flow and try to get into it. Ups and downs. So your speech should be gradually go ups and down, ups and down. So if you speak like that way, you're gonna be a natural speaker, and a native speaker won't feel like you are weird or you acting so weird. They gonna feel like you are a natural speaker. You speak without any pain. So stop speak with the robot way and start to speak like native speaker. Start to speak like that. How are you? Or how are you? And start to speak like, how are you guys? Something like that. Try to go gradually in the flow. So my advice for you is to relax during speaking and start speak.
Just relax. I am relaxed. This is me being relaxed.
My third tip is the pronunciation. You need to change the way you speak English if you want to sound like a native speaker. So you need to learn the right pronunciation. Because I know so many people who take the vowel sounds from their own language and then try to apply it into English speaking, which won't work. If you do something like that, taking the vowel sounds from your mother tongue and then try to apply it into English speaking, native speakers will recognize you and hear and feel the different accent you speak. So you need to try to think about English like music. Try to deal with patterns and intonation that native speakers speak with. Always, if you have noticed, English speakers speak with intonation and speak also with patterns. They always speak with patterns. So you need to shadow in these patterns and go with the intonation.
Oh my God!
So all you need to do now, guys, is to keep practicing, or maybe find an English partner, or you could record a voice note for yourself during speaking. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope to see you soon. And by the way, if you can subscribe, please hit the subscribe button below. Bye bye.